The Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya, Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, today, while addressing the media at the counting centre Polo, said that he is happy with all the arrangements in all the counting centres in the state. He also said that there are altogether 13 counting centres, 8 for Shillong and 5 for Tura constituency. He informed that the security arrangement is looked after by the concerned district authority and sub-divisional authority, and all is set in place for tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, D.P. Walang, today inspected the counting centre along with the CEO, the returning officer and the police. Speaking to the media after the inspection, Walang expressed his confidence that the counting will effectively start tomorrow at 8 a.m. without any problem.
5 for the Tura PC, all 12 district and Swara civil subdivision. So all needful arrangement for the counting AC segment wise has already been made, and the counting arrangement for the postal ballots also been done in the RO constituency.
And I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Well, security measures are...
Security measures are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here. So we are satisfied with the arrangements.
The JSU today